homemade drink improve vision and memory naturally. First, we bring in lemon, peel it, cut it into small pieces, and put it in the blender. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is very important for eye health. It protects our eyes from the harmful effects of free radicals. The flavonoids in lemon can lower eye pressure. Second, we bring ginger, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. We measured 29 grams of ginger and put it in the blender. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and protects us from many eye diseases. Ginger enhances blood circulation in the brain, which can improve memory and concentration. It can improve mental abilities in the elderly. Third, we bring an orange, peel it, cut it into small pieces, and put it in the blender. Vitamin C in oranges can reduce the risk of cataracts and supports corneal health. Oranges contain the antioxidant beta-cryptoxanthin, which protects the brain from oxidative stress. This antioxidant supports good memory and better concentration. Fourth, we prepare turmeric powder. Take half a spoon and put it in the blender. Curcumin will protect the eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of various eye diseases, such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma. Fifth, we prepare black pepper powder. Take a little of it and put it on the ingredients in the blender. Its effect is strong on eye health and improves memory and concentration. Sixth, we put 200 milliliters of water